how to remove link from Instagram bio. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the edit profile option you see there. Here you will see the links option, tap on that. Now go ahead and tap on the link that you want to remove. You will then see the remove link option, tap on that. Now in the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on the remove button, and with this the link will be removed. So this is how you can remove link from Instagram bio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.